Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start new chapter, lesson number 17, articles. Lesson number 17, articles we are going to study today. Be ready with your book with page number 65. Dear children, the adjectives a, an and the are known as articles. A, an, the. These three words, these three adjectives are known as articles. There are two types of articles. First one is indefinite articles and the definite article. Indefinite and definite. Article a and an comes in indefinite category and the article the comes in definite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles as they do not refer to any particular person, place or thing. It can be any person, any place or anything. They do not refer to any particular person, place or thing. It can be, if I write a girl, it can be any girl. We are not talking about any particular girl. It can be any girl, a girl if I write. If I write an egg, it can be any egg. We are not talking about any particular egg. If I say a village, it can be any village. We are not talking about any particular village. So the indefinite articles a and an refers to anything, any person or any place. They do not refer to particular person, place or thing. Then article the is known as definite article because it refers to a particular person, place or thing. It refers to a particular person, place or thing. If I say the USA, I am talking about a particular place, particular nation. Clear? So the USA we can write. Okay, if I write the gentleman. The gentleman, if I say, it means we are talking about a particular gentleman. Clear? So the article the refers to a particular person, particular place or particular thing. Now, always remember A, E, I, O, U are vowels. In English, there are 26 alphabets. Out of 26, A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. Clear? And rest of the letters are called consonants. Rest of the letters are called consonants. Clear? There are total 26 alphabets. A, E, I, O, U are known as vowels and rest of the letters are known as consonants. The use of a and an depends on the sound with which a word begins. Use of a and an always depends on the sound of the first letter. Clear? Usually we think that when the word is beginning with vowels, before that we put an. And the words which begins with consonants we put a. Usually it happens But we should not concentrate on the first letter, whether it's vowel or consonant. We should concentrate on the sound of the first letter. If it gives the vowel sound, we have to use an. If it gives the consonant sound, we use a. Clear? The use of a and an is fully depend on the sound of the first letter with which the word begins. Clear? Depends on the sound with which a word begins. With examples, I'll try to make you understand. If a word begins with a vowel sound, we use an. Clear? If the word beginning with vowel sound, we use an. We can write an apple. It begins with a sound, apple, a vowel sound. Clear? It is beginning with vowel sound, so we write an. We write an egg, a sound, an egg. Clear? So dear children, if the word is beginning with vowel sound, we always use an before that word. And if a word begins with the consonant sound, we use a before that. Clear? A mango. A mango, mo sound, ma. Clear? Mango. It's not a vowel sound, it's a consonant sound. So the word which begins with consonant sound, before that we use the article a. Clear? Now, look at the following words. The word uniform. The word uniform we have here. If I ask you to fill a or an before this word, you have to fill a or an before this word. What do you think what will come? Will you concentrate on the first letter? First letter is vowel. So do you think the article an will come here? If you write the article an concentrating on the first letter, your answer is absolutely wrong. I told you we have to see the sound of the first letter. Sound of the first means first letter. Whether the word begins with vowel sound or consonant sound. Uniform, you, yo. It gives yo sound. Yo. It is not the vowel sound, it's a consonant sound. Yo. Clear? It's not a vowel sound, it's a consonant sound. So the correct article is a uniform, not an uniform. Clear? Because the use of a or an depends on the sound with which the word begins. Clear? It depends on the sound with which the word begins. Clear? One more example I'll write here. Dash. Dash European. Though it is beginning with vowel. E is a vowel. But beta, it does not give a vowel sound. The word is not beginning with vowel sound. European. It gives, again it gives your sound. Again it gives your sound. So it's not a vowel sound, it's a consonant sound. So we write a European. We write a European. Is that clear? Always remember that the use of a and fully depends on the sound with which the word begins. Clear? And then one more example I'll tell you. If I write here a word R and I ask you to fill in the blanks with A or an. R. Though it is beginning with consonant, we know in this word the letter H is silent. What do you pronounce? R. Clear? H is silent. So as per the sound, R sound, it is beginning with vowel sound. The word begins with vowel sound. So we write an R, not a R. Do not concentrate on the first letter. Concentrate on the sound, whether it produces a vowel sound or a consonant sound. Clear? If I write the word dash honest, dash honest, and I ask you to write A or an before that. Again we can see honest. How do you pronounce this word? H is silent. Honest. O is a vowel sound. O. So, dear children, we write here an honest, not a honest. Clear? And the most important thing is, always remember, use of A or an depends on the sound. Clear? On the sound with which the word begins. If it begins with vowel sound, use an before that. If it begins with a consonant sound, use A before that. So, I hope this is clear to you. Turn your page. Page number 66, you can see point number D. A or an can be used with some numbers to mean 1. Clear? And dear children, A and an we use to indicate one person, one place or one thing. A or an refers to a thing, person or place, singular in number. Clear? A or an is used to indicate one person, one place or one thing. A or an can be used with some numbers to mean 1 also. For 100. Clear? To indicate one number to mean 100. 100 means 100. A quarter, 1 quarter. A liter, 1 liter. A dollar, $1. Clear? So, A or an can be used with some numbers to mean 1. When they mean to 1, then we can use A or an before that word.